In what way, I suppose, does the movie reflect a generation thing, but also that kind of session culture? And has that thing been captured that much before in any sort of Dublin movie like that? You know, that drug taking, you know, culture that will really resonate with a load of people of a certain generation, of a certain mindset.
Yeah, I think anytime anybody talks about drugs, and you know, in Ireland, it's always this kind of cautionary tale that's written from the outside in about how kind of drugs destroy lives. You know, someone smokes a joint and then they get eaten by a whale. You know what I mean? Like an after-school special kind of like cautionary tale. You know what I mean? Like, I drove a car off a cliff. You know what I mean? So take that, kids. You know,
that happened with me.
What, got eaten by a whale?
Yeah, you smoked 2 joints. So.
Yeah. But it's always something crazy, you know. Like, So what happens is the majority, you know, so like that kind of thing of telling of youth culture. And here's the thing, every generation experiences a different type of youth. So this is very much kind of something that's kind of indicative of people from the late 80s all the way up to the 2000s, and maybe the people even now like might go, they kind of recognise it, but you know, it all kind of, it's always the same kind of youth tropes, you know what I mean, within the culture. But it was like that. I'd never seen a Dublin one done before, and even people were saying like Trainspotting, and it's really great, but it's not like that. That's about the complete abject poverty that people can kind of go to when they take life-ending drugs. Well, this is something that a lot of people take every weekend. You know what I mean? Like, and nothing happens. They kind of wake up and get on with their lives, and you know, there's no consequences, but it's more about the subculture of Dublin and dance music, which I hadn't seen on film before.